Oh, shut up. Really, all you have to do is look at the monitor. All systems go, Michael. Michael, is that you? Michael, is that you? I see your point. Really, all you have to do is look at the monitor. Michael, is that you? We're getting closer. The signal is progressively stronger. What is it, Michael? Oh, shut up. We're getting closer. The signal is progressively stronger. Computers are serious tools, Michael. Under normal circumstances, I would have introduced myself first, but I'm afraid these aren't exactly normal circumstances. I think I may have something. I'm sorry I frightened you earlier. I'm sorry I frightened you earlier. We're getting closer. The signal is progressively stronger. I am not qualified to overrule your wishes.